Hey there people, Lenny Rudow here today at the Chesapeake Bay Boat Show for PropTalk Magazine. Now we're at the Riverside Marine display and we're checking out this little Bayliner Element. This is a 15-footer. It's a little guy, right? But it's got gobs of room inside, and what's really cool is you can own this boat for just a couple $100 a month. I mean, it is a dirt cheap way to break into the world of pleasure boating. Let's look at a couple of the features. Obviously, you got plenty of seating up in the bow, room to kick back. What I like is under every seat, you've got storage. There's storage under the front. There's storage under the side. And there's storage under the seat that I'm sitting on. So there's no wasted space here. Oh, we got a couple built-in cup holders. We got a grab rail. We got stereo speakers. How about that? The Helm is compact, it is comfy. You've got toggle switches, and check this out. They even put in a little USB port as well as an aux port for the stereo system. In the stern, you've got a swim platform with a fold-out ladder. And don't forget people, this boat comes as a boat motor trailer package. So you can get the whole kit and caboodle. And I gotta tell you, in a world where it seems like sometimes boat pricing has just gone mad, it's awful cool to see this little 15-foot Bayliner. I love it.
Don't miss another Prop Talk video. Subscribe to our channel today.
Did you know you could buy this for less than a party?